Welcome to the world of ultra-scalable system design. As a digital entrepreneur, your success depends on two conflicting goals: keeping your services online 24/7 and keeping your cloud costs from eating your profits. Today, we are diving deep into mixed instance deployments. This is a strategy used by the world's leanest startups to balance reliability and extreme cost efficiency. We will learn how to combine expensive, guaranteed computing power with dirt-cheap, spare capacity. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to build a global business infrastructure that scales effortlessly while staying within a bootstrapped budget. Let's get started on optimizing your cloud footprint. In the early stages of a digital business, most founders default to on-demand instances. They are reliable and always available, but they are the most expensive way to run your business. On the other hand, spot instances offer massive discounts, sometimes up to 90% off, but the cloud provider can reclaim them with only a 2-minute warning. If you rely solely on spot, your site might crash. If you rely solely on on-demand, you might go broke. The dilemma is simple. How do you get the low price of spot instances without the risk of your entire system going offline? This is where the mixed strategy becomes your ultimate competitive advantage. Think of spot instances as the last-minute flight deals of the cloud world. Cloud providers like AWS or Google Cloud have massive data centers, and they often have unused computing power. To avoid letting it sit idle, they sell it at a steep discount. You can save between 70 and 90% compared to standard pricing. The catch? It's preemptible. If someone is willing to pay full price for that capacity, the provider takes it back from you. For a savvy entrepreneur, this isn't a problem, it's an opportunity. If your system is designed to handle these interruptions, you are essentially running your business on a 90% discount every single day. While spot instances save you money, on-demand instances save your reputation. These are your reserved or pay-as-you-go foundations that the provider will never take away. In a mixed deployment, these instances act as your base layer. They handle your most critical tasks, like your database or your primary login service, that simply cannot afford to go down. Even if every single one of your spot instances is reclaimed by the provider, your on-demand base ensures that your users can still access the core functionality of your app. You pay full price for this reliability, but you use it sparingly to keep the total bill low. So, how do you combine them? A common winning strategy for remote entrepreneurs is the 20-80 rule. You deploy 20% of your capacity on on-demand instances to handle your baseline load. Then you use spot instances for the remaining 80% of your scaling needs. This means that during a traffic spike, you are paying pennies on the dollar for the extra power. If the spot market gets tight and your 80% capacity is reclaimed, your 20% base keeps the lights on, while your system automatically looks for new spot capacity. This ratio allows you to achieve a total cost reduction of roughly 60–70% without sacrificing your business's uptime. To make this work, your architecture needs to be stateless. This means that any individual server can disappear without losing user data. We use a load balancer to distribute traffic and an auto-scaling group to manage the mix of instances. When the cloud provider needs a spot instance back, your auto-scaling group detects the 2-minute warning and automatically spins up a different instance type to take its place. By spreading your spot instances across different families, like using both M5 and T3 instance types, you decrease the chance that all your spot capacity is taken back at once. This is the secret to building a self-healing system. The key to making spot instances reliable is diversification. Cloud providers have different pools of spare capacity based on the region, the availability zone, and the specific hardware type. If you only request one specific type of instance in one city, you are at high risk. But if you tell the cloud provider, "I am happy with any 2V CPU instance in Northern Virginia," your reliability skyrockets. By diversifying across 10 or 15 different instance types, it becomes statistically nearly impossible for all of them to be reclaimed simultaneously. This strategy allows your digital business to run on junk capacity while performing like a premium enterprise system. Let's look at the numbers. Imagine a standard setup costing $1,000 per month, using only on-demand instances. By switching to a mixed instance fleet with an 80% spot ratio, your cost for that same $800 portion of the bill could drop to just $80. Your $200 on-demand base stays the same. Your new total? $280 instead of $1,000. That is a $720 monthly saving per cluster. For a scaling entrepreneur, that's $8,640 per year that can be reinvested into marketing or product development. This isn't just a technical trick, it's a financial lever that allows you to outspend your competitors on growth because your overhead is so much lower. What happens during those 2 minutes when an instance is reclaimed? A well-designed system uses those 120 seconds to drain connections. This means the server stops taking new requests, finishes the work it's currently doing, and saves any necessary state to a persistent database or cache like Redis. Once the work is done, it shuts down cleanly. Because your load balancer has already started sending new users to a different instance, the customer never sees an error message. To the outside world, your system is a rock-solid fortress. Internally, it is a dynamic, shifting dance of cost-optimized resources. This graceful exit is the hallmark of a senior system designer. You now have the blueprint for leveraging mixed instance deployments. This strategy transforms cloud infrastructure from a fixed expense into a strategic advantage. Start by identifying your non-critical workloads, like development environments or background processing, and move those to 100% Spot. Then, move your production scaling layers to a mixed model. Remember, diversify your instance types, keep your application stateless, and always automate. As your business grows from 10 users to 10 million, these principles will ensure you stay profitable and reliable. The cloud is your playground. Go out there and build something massive without breaking the bank.